Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. Hope you're having a good day. We've started adding and subtracting integers this week, so I thought it would be a good time to do some mental math with addition. This one is titled Breakup and Bridge, but I don't want to just do that strategy. I want to look at a bunch of different strategies, and sometimes it's good to have a bunch of strategies because not every strategy works the best with certain numbers. So I'm going to do a few of these questions looking at some of the mental math strategies you might use with addition. Number 1, 48 plus 21. Sometimes it can be as simple as doing 48 plus 20 plus 1, right? This is the idea of breaking up and bridging. 48 plus 20 is 68, and then plus 1 more is 69. Okay, so breaking up the numbers so that you can bridge to the next number. Same thing here, 37 plus 46. I might not use breakup and bridge here. I might decide to go, you know what, I'm going to do 30 plus 40. And I'm going to do 6 plus 7. Well, 30 plus 40 is 70, and 6 plus 7 is 13. And 70 plus 13 equals 83. So sometimes, adding from the left, adding up your 10s, adding up your 1s is a good strategy. 15 plus 18 plus 17. Okay. Well, I might do something like this. I might go, you know what? I'm going to do 15, and I'm going to break up 18 into 15 plus 3. Because then look what happens here. I can do 3 plus 17 is 20, and 15 plus 15 is 30, and 20 plus 30 is 50. So that's an idea of breaking up and bridging, but also getting some compatible pairs, some nice numbers. Number 4, 18 plus 25 plus 27 plus 36. Well, I might do something like this. I might say, you know what? I'm going to do 18 is 3 plus 15. Okay. Now 15 plus 25 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Well, now I've got 43 and 27. 43 and 27. Well, I could do 40 and 20 is 60, and 3 and 7 is 10 for 70. So those numbers would make 70, and then I can finish it up with 70 plus 36. Well, I know 70 plus 30 is 100, plus 6 more is 106. So we're doing all kinds of things here. We're breaking up to make compatible numbers that will add up to numbers that end in 0 or 5. And then we're also bridging to the next number. This one, 530 plus 280. Well, I might do something like this. I might do 530 plus 200 plus 70 plus 10. Well, why would I do that? Well, 530 plus 200 is 730. And then the reason I broke up 80 into 70 and 10 is if I have 730, then 700 plus 70 makes 800. It makes a nice compatible pair. And then 800 plus 10 is 810. Okay, over here I might do the same thing. I might do, 150 plus, instead of 83, I might do 50 plus 33. Well, 150 plus 50 is 200, plus 33 is 233. On number 7, I might do 125. Okay, plus, for 186, I might do plus 100, plus 75, plus 11. Well, 125 plus 100 is 225. Plus 75 is 300. Plus 11 is 311. So breaking up the numbers into nice pairs and then bridging. Okay, right here, 450 plus 253. I might break this up into 450 plus 200 plus 50 plus 3. Well, 450 plus 200 is 650. Plus 50 is 700. Plus 3 is 703. When you have those numbers that end in 0, it makes it way easier to add up in your head. Okay, this one here, 176 plus 125. Well, maybe I'll do this. I'll say 175 instead of 176, and I'll worry about that one later, plus 100 plus 25, and then I'll worry about that 1 that I took off the 176. I'll worry about that at the end. Well, 175 plus 100 is 275. Plus 25 is 300. Plus 1 is 301. And then number 10, 513 plus 287. Well, I might recognize right away that I could do 500 plus 200. And I could do 13 plus 87. 500 plus 200 is 700, and 13 plus 87 is 100. So together, those are going to make 800. So I'm a big fan of old-fashioned methods for adding. I think those work really well, and I'm a big fan of those. But sometimes it's good to stretch our brain a bit and break up numbers and try to add some of these things mentally. It's good for our mind. So what I'd like you to do today, over the course of the next few days, I'd like you to try some of these questions, and I'd like you to show me how you're breaking them up to make some numbers that are easier to add. So show me how you might do it. So I'll just show you what I mean here. In number 1, 48 plus 25. Well, maybe in this one you might do 40 plus 20. And 8 plus 5. You might come up with things I don't even think of. Well, 40 plus 20 is 60. And 8 plus 5 is 13. And that's 73. Okay, maybe on one like number 6, you might, or not, maybe not number 6, maybe on one like 11, you might do 450 plus 100 plus 50 plus 30. So breaking up that 180 into 3 parts. And you would get 550, 600, 630. So I'd like you to try all of Power Builder A and Power Builder B and show me some of the things you're doing to solve them mentally. Be creative with it. All right? That's all for now. Hope you have a good week. Flexing Teacher Weber out.